Today we will explore the importance of proper studio lighting. Lighting sets the mood, enhances the subject, and brings your videos to life. Let's dive in. To create high-quality videos, proper studio lighting is crucial. It ensures your subject is well lit, removing shadows and providing clarity. Whether filming interviews, product reviews, or tutorials, the right lighting can make all the difference. There are various types of studio lighting setups. The three commonly used are the key light, fill light, and backlight. The key light is the main source, providing the primary illumination. The fill light softens shadows, while the backlight adds depth and separation from the background. Studio lighting equipment includes LED panels, softboxes, and ring lights. LED panels offer adjustable brightness and color temperature, perfect for versatility. Softboxes diffuse light for a softer effect, while ring lights create a captivating halo effect in close-up shots. Let's discuss some lighting techniques. Three-point lighting is a classic setup, using the key, fill, and backlight strategically. Rembrandt lighting creates a stunning look with a small triangle-shaped light on one side of the face. Experimenting with these techniques will add depth and dimension to your videos. Remember to position your lights properly, avoiding harsh shadows. Experiment with different angles to achieve the desired effect. Use diffusers and reflectors to control the intensity and direction of light. And finally, white balance your camera to avoid color cast. Proper studio lighting plays a vital role in producing captivating videos. It sets the tone, highlights the subject, and enhances your content's overall quality. With these tips and techniques, you can take your videos to the next level and leave a lasting impact on your audience. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.